I'm gonna have my beacons on. Turn on yours too. Press E. There you go. Oh, yep. Mine just went out. Oh! Just say we didn't know. Oh! Well, yeah, we are. Just say we didn't know the tires were popped. Yeah, my back ones are. Oh my god. Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah. I have to. I feel like Ice Road Truckers right now. Oh god. You know what that show is? Yeah. Which Ice Road Truckers. Let's go in the tunnel, and then at the other end we can short it out. You know what I mean? Oh wait, no, wait. We'll just take this end. Never mind. Oh my god. I don't either. I know. We're probably gonna get. Yeah, just be like we were doing what we told. I'm not on all the way. There we go. I'm on. Yep, there you go. Alright, let's go. Are we going with beacons? Alright. I am too. You just gotta keep it straight. Like at your best. Because there's so many tires, it's gonna be hard to. Just go slow. I'm going like 20. It's because I got a flatbed, I think. I'm just using AS. Come on. We have the same truck. F2. Flex your F2. That way your trailer gets on there. There you go. Because my trailer is on there. Wait, no, my trailer tires are too wide, so... That's probably what your issue is. Hey, just drop your trailer. I don't know. Well, you could just put your truck on the back of mine. You want to switch trucks? That way it's easier. I bet. Okay. I got that wheel now, so. Holy smokes! Your trailer. I'm good, I'm lined up. I'm cruising. My trailer's dragging. Oh no! It's cause the hills! It's cause the hills! Okay, just go slow. I am too. Somewhat. I know, just go slow. I'm going 7 miles an hour right now. Yeah. Oh, what did you hit? Oh. Okay, that helped me even out a little bit. Oh, frick, I am too. It's because the hills. Oh, God. I think I'm burning metal. No. Go. Come on. Logan, cop up here. Logan, cop. He's just ignoring it. He don't care. Oh, frick, I'm sliding. It's the hill. It's not your trail, it's the hill. Oh, you're gonna hit the... Oh. We can't back up. Oh, you're done. Oh. You did. Are you stuck? You might have to F2 it. Oh, wait, Fick, you can't. F2? No. Try? No. Oh, wait, that's not a cop. Oh, there's one up there. Get in. Get in. Get in. Oh, we're just gonna have to go. We're just gonna have to go. Oh! Alright, let me back up and hook up my winch. I'm on there pretty good. Oh, not on my screen. I have a mask on. So, how do you want me to do this? Just attach my winch and you'll just go backwards?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, crap.
Alright.
Let's just say the trains. What are you talking about?
You guys good?
Yep, real good, man.
Never seen a truck on a train track before.
It's the new trains,
It's a
man.
train.
New train?
It's a train.
Is that how they're doing that now?
Yep, electric.
Alright, gotcha.
Alright, ready, man? Oh, wait, I should attach the winch to my back. Wait. Hey, I'm gonna attach the winch to the back of the truck. That way it pulls you forward. Okay. That's gonna be Kasi in a second. No, I'm gonna pull you by the trailer, so let me attach it. Truck. Alright, come on, man. When I pull. Oh, dude, you're stuck. You're stuck. Yeah, you're gonna have to. Yeah, come on. Don't worry about it. Try to get the trail. Okay. Alright, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Oh my god. It should be faster. Oh my god. T/repair your engine. Just ditch the truck there and come with me. No, because if you repair it, your tires. Yeah. 10. There you go. I'm going. Not again, god dang it. I mean, technically, I still got my winch attached to you. I'm cruising. I'm good. That sucks. Are you okay?
Yes, get me out of here.
Not gonna be able to push a semi. Oh god, there's an actual train coming. It's not letting me yank you out, so Yanks attempts to open door, can I? Just crawl through the window, god dang it. Oh, unlock the door.
Man,
Unlock
I'm
the door.
stuck.
There. Oh, I broke you. Okay. Come on. Hold on, wait, I gotta leave my mark. Oh, my trailer's all wonky. It's doing the snake thing. I gotta catch the train. I'm good back here. Are you sure you can drive this? I'm sure you are. Oh, you did it too wide. God freaking dang it. Oh yeah, now we're off-road trucks. Oh my god. This guy. Was that LSPD? You would think they would, cause transit. Hunting. Fishing. Uh-oh. What am I doing? Oh, God! Oh! I detached the trailer! I'm gonna turn into an animal. I'm out. Deviate. That way there's not leftover crap. I'm gonna become a mountain lion. It is. Me, you idiot. Got it. It's called Milton. Player appearance. Spawn. Can I bite you? Oh yeah. I didn't know I could. Because they removed the biting thing from this one's. And it's called Milton. Yep, there you go. On the tracks right now. Let's go mess with that cop. I want to go down here and DV those vehicles, so. I want to wait up for you. There you go. Oh, frick, I'm still recording. Hold on.